In this video, we'll look at using probability to make predictions. So this first example is kind of silly, but it says, if you spin the spinner 6 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will land on green? So really, it doesn't matter how many times we spin the spinner because green is not one of our possible outcomes, so our answer is 0, no matter how many times we spin it. This example says, you select a marble without looking and then put it back. If you do this 12 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times you will pick a pink or a blue marble? Again, this one's actually kind of silly because obviously our only possible outcomes are pink or blue marbles. So if we do this 12 times, we can say the best prediction for the number of times we'll pick pink or blue is 12 times. As each time we pull a marble, it will be pink or blue. Out of 12 times, this will happen 12 times. This example says, if you spin the spinner 55 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times it will not land on pink? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible options, and 4 of those are not pink, obviously yellow. So if we do it 55 times, 4/5 of those times should land on yellow or not pink. So we have to ask ourselves, what is 4/5 of 55? So you might have a couple different ways of figuring that out. I'm thinking, okay, if I'm separating 55 by 5, that's 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, and 11. 5 groups of 11. So, oops, there we go. 4 of those groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, would be 44. So 44 times it should land on yellow or not pink, and only 11 times would it land on the pink. This last example says, if you roll a 6-sided die 12 times, what is the best prediction possible for the number of times you will roll a 3? So if I roll the dice once, I have a 1 in 6 chance of getting a 3. So if I roll it 12 times, 1/6 of those times I should get a 3. So I'm going to say 1/6 of 12 is 2. 2 out of 12 times. Because think about it, I'm timesing by 2, timesing by 2. You could also think, okay, if I do it 12 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1/6, 1/6. So 2/12, 2 times, I should get a 3. Okay, that's it for this section. Good luck.